Hey there everyone, I am 328 and today we are going to make iPhone 12 Pro Max with paper. Before starting, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the new ones. You just need 3 sheets to make it, so without wasting any more time, let's start. Take one of the 3 sheets, fold it in half. Try to make it precise. Now open it back and you will see a line in between. Along the line, fold the corners. Try to make it as accurate as possible. If they are not accurate, your phone will look bad. The same with the other side. Just like that. Perfect. Now fold these edges till the middle point. Just like this. The same with the other edge. Follow all the steps properly. Now fold these corners in half. And this side too. Just like this. Alright, so we have reached till here. Now what we have to do is divide this into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Just like this. Alright, now it's divided into 3 equal parts. Like this. Now fold one of the triangle backwards. Just like this. Now what we need to do is take this one and put it into the other. There are two pockets in that one. We will put this into the pockets. This is going to be hard, so make sure to do it properly. You can fold this triangle a little if they are sticking out. Okay, it's perfect now. Do it like this. And that's it. We have put it into both the pockets. So this was the body part. So this is the main and it's done. Perfect. Take the second sheet and take the part that we just made and a pen or a pencil. What we have to do is mark the breadth of the first part on the breadth of the second sheet. Like this. You can see it. Now with this we will fold the paper. Alright. Keep folding it till its breadth is the same as the breadth we marked. Put this inside the area in the first part. There is a small pocket inside it. We can put it through this. Take more paper on one side and less on the other, and follow accordingly. And it's done. If you followed all the steps properly, you will get something similar to this. By the way, if you want a shoutout on my videos, you can join the 328 Discord server, the link is in the description. Today's shoutout goes to 328 Spidey, check out his channel. So let's continue. Now take the third and the last sheet. This time mark the length of the part that we made at the first, on the breadth of the other sheet. If the sheets are of the same size, you can just fold the sheet in half vertically. Now put this between the area in the first part and the second part. Make sure to keep the same area of paper on both sides. Now fold it from one side.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
And make a mark. Now using this mark, fold it backwards so it will fit perfectly.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Now fold the second area just like that.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
And put it inside the area between first and second part.
I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
And it's done. Perfect. So this is the main part, it's complete. Now we just need to design it. So what are we waiting for? Let's start designing. Here we go, the designing is done. You can make it better, but it's enough for now. We have the Apple logo, the cameras, the buttons here, the screen, more buttons here, the speakers and the charging port. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. I have many more videos, so check out my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.